Hey, it's Sean Callagy. It's Why Wednesday, and we're here daily connecting and share with warriors like yourself committed to lives of growth and mastery. So, on Why Wednesday, what we talk about a lot is how our kind of energy, the energy that drives us forward is us really being connected to our whys, those deeper emotional issues that drive us forward. And just coming back, we're doing some videos on the Grand Cayman trip. We went with the whole law firm, close to 80 people. Amazing, incredible time. But while we were there, we met some remarkable human beings. And I just want to give them a shout out and say that when we're living consistent with our why and we're on that mission, great things happen. So a few different situations. One, Nick at Deep Blue Divers. Nick has become a friend. We've been diving for a long time. He's helped introduce a lot of people that I know and care about to the world, the undersea world, whether it be snorkeling or scuba diving. And he has a great team down there, and Alice, Neil, Amanda. And when you're with these folks, I've dove with a lot of people, I've gone snorkeling on excursions with a lot of folks, and they just have such a deep level of caring and connection to their mission. And what their mission is, though, it's not just to like scuba dive all day. A lot of people get into the dive community or do fun jobs like that so they can just live and do the things that they like to do. The mission that these people carry forward is one of service and connection and wanting to have this amazing experience filled with warmth and just like them sharing their world in Grand Cayman. So the folks at Deep Blue, thank you. You made the experience magical for so many people on our team. Changing over to Casanova, a restaurant down there that's become a little bit new to me. I've been to Grand Cayman many times, but this place has been unbelievable. Tony Antonio and their entire team blew the minds of our team with their explosive energy and warmth from the minute that we walked in. There was a place, I'm not gonna throw them under the bus in the video, but there was a couple places that we walked into. They're like, oh wow, like you guys are early. There's a lot of people. The energy at Casanova was the complete opposite. It was like, oh my God, you're here. This is awesome. They were like doing toasts in Italian and singing. It was almost like dinner theater from these folks in just a normal Italian restaurant. Normal, nothing is normal there. It was beautiful, spectacular, unbelievable. The food was great. We're sitting on the Caribbean with spotlights in the water, tarpons, stingrays. But what made the night magical was the energy. Tony and Antonio and their entire team, and so many people on our folks said it was their favorite meal of the trip, even though we ate at some places that would have been, let's say, at a higher profile in terms of who they were or what they were supposed to be. The energy and delivery of these folks was absolutely otherworldly. Raymond was a person we met a couple of trips ago with our family, that this guy put together a seamless system of transportation at an outrageously, unbelievably reasonable price. Everywhere we needed to go was unbelievable. Every scheduling change, everything was met with like this positive attitude. Total mission. His why was to serve and share his beautiful island. Raymond is a native Caymanian. His beautiful island with everybody that was there every day saying, hey, he called me Mr. Sean, I call me Sean. He's like, Mr. Sean, how are you today? Like, how's it going? I'm like, Sean, but thank you, Raymond. And he'd just be like telling these stories, and he seemed so happy to be taking us everywhere every day. And we had 3 buses a lot of times, which he was coordinating. Absolutely incredible. Thank you, Raymond. And there were more, and we'll talk about more of those folks in the videos. But the point for today is to really, I feel challenged and inspired by my work, my mission, by folks like Nick, Alice, Raymond, Tony, Antonio, Neil, because those folks were serving at such a high level and caring so much about the experience, the people I cared about. And they weren't just caring about their job. They weren't staying within the box. They were so far outside the box, recommending people, restaurant, places, things. And I've been there a million times, but constantly looking for other things to share with us that maybe we didn't know about already. Amazing, incredible trip. The people made it so. How can we do that? How can we live more consistent with our why on our mission and make people's lives better today because we're in it, we're in their life? How we make their life better because we're in it. And those folks certainly did that for me and my team, and I'm eternally grateful. Thanks. It's Why Wednesday. Please spread this message. Let's get everybody moving in a positive way every single day to have more resonance, more energy, more good things happen. I'm Sean Callagy. Thanks.